Hello guys, so to make our henna tea and our hair mask, we are going to warm some water, not boil but warm it. Then we are going to get a bowl or whatever you can use, get some henna powder. For the tea, you're gonna have to use like 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons. Then after that, you could turn it around, make sure the powder is well, mixed or whatever. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna get the water and pour the water in the henna powder. Then you're gonna start mixing it, mixing until you get a nice texture. So for the hair mask, we are going to get a bowl and use your eyes to measure how much you want the thickness. If you want a lot of thickness to it, then use a lot of powder. If you want a little bit of smooth, watery type of mask, you may use less powder and more water. But for me, I just wanted a nice consistency, so you will see me adding more water and maybe using more henna because I just didn't have enough at that time, so I had to add more, but you will see that later on. And just mix it until you get a nice texture. If you have lumps to it, it's okay, don't worry about it. You'll still get the good benefits of the henna in your hair and your scalp.